Know you've been a good friend.
Look at a chimpanzee. Thick, dark hair covers its body, a perfect shield for life in the African forests. That fur protects against sun, cold, and helps it blend into the shadows. Now look at a human. We stand tall, mostly bare-skinned, with only patches of hair. This lack of fur is striking. It sets us apart from almost all other mammals. Why did we lose our protective coat? Our ancestors, once covered in fur like chimps, thrived in cool, shady forests. Their fur was essential for protection and temperature control. For millions of years, this furry coat was key to survival. Losing it must have been for a powerful reason. This difference between us and chimpanzees tells a story of dramatic change. It marks a turning point when our ancestors left the safety of the forest. They stepped into a new, challenging world, hot, open, and unforgiving. The old ways wouldn't work here. To survive, our ancestors had to adapt. The loss of fur wasn't an accident, it was a critical adaptation. It was the first step toward becoming human. Our bare skin is more than a quirk. It's a clue to our evolutionary journey. It signals a shift from forest dwellers to something new. This change shaped our identity, our survival, and our future. The story of our skin is the story of how we became who we are. It's a tale of risk, adaptation, and transformation. Our nakedness is a badge of our evolutionary success. It's the beginning of the human story, and it all started with the loss of our fur. Why does our hairlessness matter? Because it's the story of our origins. By studying our skin, we uncover the challenges our ancestors faced: heat, hunger, predators. This question is a scientific mystery, debated for years. Fossils, genetics, and our own bodies offer clues. For example, our skin is packed with sweat glands, unusual for primates. This suggests cooling down was crucial for survival. Piecing together these clues is like solving an ancient puzzle. Our ability to adapt is what makes us special. Losing fur was risky, exposing us to sun and injury, but the benefits outweighed the risks. Natural selection favored a new kind of primate, one that could handle heat. This opened up new possibilities for our ancestors. Understanding our naked skin connects us to the natural world. It reminds us we're shaped by the same forces as all life on Earth. The sun, climate, and landscape all played a part in our story. Asking why we lost our fur is asking about our place in nature. The answer reveals how a changing environment led to a profound change in us. It's a powerful example of adaptation and evolution. Our skin is a living record of our journey. It's a key to understanding what it means to be human. And it all began with a simple, yet radical, change: losing our fur. Millions of years ago in Africa, the climate shifted. Forests shrank, and open grasslands, or savannas, spread. Our ancestors faced a new world. Fewer trees, relentless sun, and greater danger. Food was scattered, forcing them to travel long distances on the ground. A thick fur coat became a liability, trapping heat under the blazing sun. Imagine running for miles in a fur coat. Overheating would be deadly. To survive, our ancestors began walking upright. Bipedalism. Walking on two legs was more efficient for travel and exposed less body to the sun. But even with these changes, overheating was a threat, especially for the brain. The solution? Lose the fur. Bare skin allowed heat to escape more efficiently. This adaptation didn't happen overnight. It took generations. Individuals with less fur could travel farther, find more food, and survive better. Over time, this led to a population of increasingly hairless apes. The shift from forest to savanna demanded a new way of living. Our ancestors became endurance travelers, not just tree climbers. The loss of fur was a radical but necessary step. It was the beginning of a new chapter in human evolution. This change set the stage for everything that followed. Our bare skin became our greatest tool for survival. It was the adaptation that let us conquer the savanna. And it all started with a simple need to keep cool under the sun. The story of our skin is the story of our escape from the trees. It's the story of how we became human, and it began with a step into the light. Losing fur was only half the solution. The other half was sweat. Humans are champion sweaters with millions of glands covering our skin. When we get hot, sweat evaporates, cooling us down like a built-in air conditioner. No other primate cools itself this way. This combination of bare skin and sweat turned our ancestors into endurance athletes. While predators like cheetahs sprint and overheat, our ancestors could walk or run for hours. This gave them a huge advantage: persistence hunting. They could track prey until it collapsed from exhaustion. Meat from these hunts fueled bigger brains. Bigger brains led to better tools, communication, and cooperation. Our intelligence is built on a foundation of sweat. Naked skin isn't a weakness, it's a superpower. It let us thrive in the heat, hunt during the day, and outlast our prey. This adaptation carved out a unique niche for humans. We became the primate that could endure. The transformation from forest ape to savanna hunter was powered by sweat and skin. Our cooling system made us who we are. It's the secret behind our success. And it all started with the loss of our fur. Our skin is the mark of the ultimate endurance athlete. The journey to hairlessness spanned millions of years and many hominin species. Early ancestors like Australopithecus likely still had fur. The big change began with Homo erectus: longer legs, shorter arms, and a body built for running. Significant hair loss started here, adapting to life on the open savanna. By 1.2 million years ago, the gene for dark skin, MC1R, became fixed. Melanin protected bare skin from the sun. Our ancestors had lost most of their fur and needed new protection. Dark skin was the answer. Homo sapiens inherited this adaptation, arriving with sweat-cooled, bare skin. This allowed us to spread across the globe. Our naked skin became the platform for our global success. Losing fur brought unexpected benefits: protection from parasites. Bare skin made it easier to spot and remove pests, reducing disease. This was crucial as humans began living in larger groups. Hairlessness acted as natural public health, breaking cycles of infestation. The discovery of fire further changed the game. Fire provided warmth at night, making fur less necessary. Hairlessness and fire worked together, cool by day, warm by night. This flexibility let us exploit our environment like no other primate. Our bare skin and mastery of fire are two sides of human adaptability. As we lost our fur, we invented clothing, an artificial coat. Clothing let us survive in cold climates as we spread out of Africa. It became more than protection. It was a form of expression and social identity. Our bare skin became a canvas for art, tattoos, and decoration. The loss of fur also changed how we connect. Skin-to-skin contact deepened social bonds. Touch became a powerful way to communicate emotion and build trust. Our sensitive skin enhanced empathy, compassion, and love. These emotions are the glue of human society. The invention of clothing and the power of touch both stem from our nakedness. Our skin helped us survive, but it also helped us connect. The loss of fur warmed our hearts as much as it cooled our bodies. It shaped our culture, our relationships, and our humanity. Our naked skin is at the core of what makes us human. The story of our skin is a story of adaptation and survival. Losing our fur let us regulate temperature, hunt, and fuel our growing brains. It unlocked a cascade of changes that made us human. Our nakedness is a symbol of our ingenuity and resilience. After leaving Africa, our skin adapted to new environments, evolving a spectrum of tones. Every shade is a chapter in our journey. Our skin is a living map of migration and adaptation. It's a record of challenges overcome and the resilience of our ancestors. Our bare skin connects us all in the story of the naked ape. It's a reminder of our shared journey and our place under the sun.